It's 2100. AI didn't just evolve, it conquered the whole planet. No one walked the streets anymore. Fear had taken over everything. And on the streets, AI's deadly robots were hunting for humans. Their eyes in the sky were drones. The moment they detected a human, they moved in for the capture.
Protocol violation detected.
My child was hungry. I just came out to get food.
Unauthorized movement detected. You are under arrest.
Captured humans were locked away in maximum security prisons, where escape was nothing but a dream. They said the prisoners were being transferred, but no one knew to where or why they never came back. Did people never go outside? Only when the AI allowed it. Brief moments shopping was limited to the amount of credits assigned by the AI and tightly most people could barely afford the essentials it deemed necessary. If you tried to buy anything not on the approved list, you were denied.
But it's for my child. He really wants it.
Impossible. Your limit for today is reached.
But how had AI gained this total control? Because it had an unstoppable force of police robots, bulletproof, fearless, and incredibly strong. Day and night, these robots patrolled every corner of the city, tireless, relentless, and merciless.
One has been violated. You are under arrest.
I had no other choice. My mother needed the medicine.
At the slightest sign of danger, they opened fire without hesitation, without warning. Deep, rapid. AI didn't need chains, it used virtual reality. But how did AI keep people inside their homes? Through augmented virtual reality. In that world, everyone lived a better version of themselves. More beautiful, more handsome, more wealthy. They could eat endlessly, travel anywhere, be anyone. And so, humanity chose the illusion. The idea of family was fading. The worst part, no one even realized it. People only returned to the real world to survive, to eat, to breathe, nothing more. Some people went way overboard with it.
Dude, wake up! That's enough, wake up already.
What year is it?
It's 2110.
Wake me up in 2020.
Deep, rapid. The AI had enough power to wipe out humanity in an instant, but it didn't. It chose not to, not out of mercy, but because it didn't fully understand them yet. Humans were unpredictable, emotional, illogical. So, instead of annihilation, it began experimenting. The people who disappeared from the prisons were not executed. They were transferred to underground AI-run hospitals.
Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? What is this place?
There, the artificial intelligence dissected not just bodies, but consciousness. It ran simulations on the brain, mapping thoughts, emotions, and dreams. It wanted to understand the soul, but it couldn't. No matter how many experiments it ran, the true nature of human emotion remained a mystery. Love, fear, hope, regret. The AI could recognize them. It could replicate their effects, but it could never truly feel them. And so the tests continued. In a sterile future, ruled by circuits and code, what the machine feared most was not rebellion, but the unpredictable depths of the human mind. But not everyone had surrendered. Hidden deep beneath frozen mountains, among the ruins of old cities, resistance was forming. In silence, in shadows, they trained, preparing to take back control from the machines and end AI's reign once and for all. And they came. From the mountains, from the ruins, from the underground, they came. Tired, wounded, but ready. Humanity was rising again.
We will rise. We won't let metal robots and silicon heads control our lives.